Whoa, what's up tech fam? Welcome back to another mind-blowing video about computer architecture. Okay, let me tell you something insane. Every single second, your computer is processing billions of instructions. Billions. That's more calculations than there are people on Earth. But how? Well, buckle up because we're about to learn about the magic of CPU pipelining. Let me break this down with something we all understand, a car wash. Imagine you're running the busiest car wash in town. You've got different stations. 1. Soaping up the car. 2. Scrubbing. 3. Rinsing. 4. Drying. 5. Detailing. Now, here's where most people's minds get blown. The old, boring way would be like, okay, let's soap up car A, now scrub car A, now rinse car A. But wait! What if I told you there's a way that's like 5 times faster? This is where pipelining comes in, and it's absolutely genius. Instead of waiting for one car to finish all the steps, you can have car A getting dried, car B getting rinsed, car C getting scrubbed, car D getting soaped. All at the same time. Your CPU does exactly this, but with instructions instead of cars. It's got these stages. 1. Instruction fetch, if. Like grabbing the recipe for what you're gonna cook. Happens in nanoseconds. Your CPU is basically speed running this part. 2. Instruction decode, ID. CPU's like, oh, this is an ADD instruction. It's like reading the recipe and understanding what you need to do. The CPU has special hardware just for this. 3. Execute, EX. This is where the real magic happens. Adding numbers, multiplying, comparing, all the actual work. Modern CPUs can do this stage so fast it'll make your head spin. 4. Memory access, MEM. Need to grab some data from RAM? This is where it happens. Think of it like reaching into your fridge for ingredients. But instead of taking seconds, it happens in billionths of a second. 5. Write back, WB. Saving the results for later. Like putting your finished dish in the fridge. But way cooler because it's happening at the speed of electricity. Now, you might be thinking, but bro, why should I care about this? Let me tell you why this is actually insane. This is why your Cyberpunk 2077 runs smooth, well, smoother than without pipelining grinning face with sweat. This is how your phone can run 100 apps without exploding. This is why modern computers are literally millions of times faster than old ones. But here's where it gets spicy. Sometimes things go wrong, and we call these hazards. They're like the drama of the CPU world. 1. Data hazards. Imagine you're making a sandwich and you need the cheese that's still in the grocery bag, you gotta wait for it. CPUs face this all the time. 2. Control hazards. This is like when you're not sure if your friend is coming to dinner, should you cook for them or not? The CPU has to guess sometimes. 3. Structural hazards. When everyone wants to use the microwave at the same time, drama. CPUs have this problem too. But modern CPUs are like the galaxy brain of handling these problems. Branch prediction. It's like having a psychic in your computer. Guesses what's going to happen next. Gets it right 95% plus of the time. Even learns from its mistakes. Superscalar execution. Imagine having multiple pipelines. Like running several car washes side by side. Some CPUs can handle 6+ instructions at once. It's like having superpowers, but for computers. Out of order execution. CPU be like, oh, this instruction is stuck. Let me do this other one first. It's like being the ultimate multitasker. This is some next level optimization. The really crazy part? All of this happens in a piece of silicon smaller than your fingernail. We're talking about billions of transistors working together in perfect harmony. And don't even get me started on the future. We're talking about AI-powered pipeline optimization, quantum computing pipelines, neural prediction systems. Technology so advanced it seems like sci-fi. Remember when we thought 1 GHz was fast? Now we've got CPUs doing 5 GHz plus like it's nothing. And it's all thanks to techniques like pipelining. So there you have it, Tech Fam. Next time you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, remember there's this incredible pipeline system working harder than a coffee shop barista during morning rush. If this blew your mind, destroy that like button. Annihilate that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what other tech concepts you want me to break down. Next week, we might talk about cache memory. It's like your computer's short-term memory but way cooler. Or maybe we'll dive into virtual memory. It's basically your computer doing magic tricks. Until then, keep your frequencies high and your temperatures low. This is TechTuber signing out. Peace. Victory hand. Want me to explain more mind-blowing computer concepts like this? Virtual memory? Cache systems? GPU architecture? Let me know. The tech world is full of amazing things to explore. Rocket.